Hello everyone. So this week's theme was about academic integrity and referencing. And this week we looked at how to reference our sources that we use in our assignments and how to make sure that we're following the academic discipline in universities in the UK. Obviously, when you are writing an essay or preparing a presentation, you might need to read some articles, books, and to provide more information and to provide evidence to your arguments. When you are using other sources in your essays, you must reference the sources that you use. This is to acknowledge other people's work and to avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of copying other people's work with the intention of cheating, and obviously without mentioning where you got the information or the data from. It's a good academic practice to use referencing to acknowledge other people's work. When referencing other people's work, you've got three options. The first option is to use a quotation, of which you copy exactly the same information with the same wording from the main source and incorporate this into your essay. In that case, you will have to mention the name of the author, the year of publication, and the page number. Obviously, this is following Harvard referencing. When it comes to paraphrasing, you will have to deliver the same information, but you would change the wording of the information. So you'll have to use synonyms, change the grammar structure or the sentence structure. And you would also still need to mention the name of the author and the year of publication. The other option would be the summary, is to provide a summary, and usually use summaries for longer text. So if you have a chapter or a paragraph that you want to summarize, then the best thing to do is to use a summary, not a quotation and not a paraphrase, because if it's a too big section, then you obviously don't have the capacity to do this in your essay, especially if it's a short essay. And when doing a summary, you will still need to reference the summary and make sure you mention where you got the information and the data from. There are websites that could help you to do the referencing, such as Cite Them Right or Cite This For Me. And if you're using Google Scholar, there's also an option there on Google Scholar under each source that is like a quotation marks, and when you click on it, it shows you different referencing style with different references, different full references of the source that you will be using and referring to in your essay. I hope this was a little bit helpful for you, but make sure that whenever you use a source in your essay or in your presentation, you refer to it and acknowledge other people's work. And this will help you to avoid plagiarism and avoid getting lower marks or being in trouble for not referencing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next week.